So, in this video, we are going to see how to find and replace a particular keyword from component sets, materials, etc. in using HyperMesh. So many times when we import CAD, this slash sign and space signs comes in our component like this. And when we export this in our solver deck, sometimes these solvers like Abaqus or any other solver create problem because they can't read this. So we can rename this one by one. But if there are many components like this, how to replace all special character using HyperMesh? So there is a tool called Find and Replace tool. If you go to here, tools, find and replace, and whatever, if there are any spaces in sets or materials or anywhere, you can just press all here, and space you can just replace it with suppose underscore, and all your spaces will be gone with underscore. Suppose you have slash also like this, you can replace it with none, then it will be gone. So it is gone like this. Suppose we have a hash sign here. So and I don't want to replace it with any name. So you can see here it will be gone. So this way you can use this find and replace tool to replace all component IDs easily uh, without renaming it one by one. And this is just legacy version. If you want to use this in new version, you can just go to here find tool and you can just type find and replace, and just go on here and type, suppose I want to uh, rename this, uh, just type space, and I will just rename it without any keyword. So just this is done. So this way you can use find and replace tool to rename multiple collector sets space with find and replace tool. Just you use special character and replace it with any underscore or without any character. So that's a brief intro about find and replace tool. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.